Folks, today I'm going to show you a dashboard that brings together data from countries with information on population, life expectancy, and infant mortality, among other aspects, allowing a broad view to make more strategic decisions. Just imagine, with clear and well-organized statistics, we can better understand how variables such as population growth and infant mortality rates influence business opportunities, or even point out where the biggest health and development challenges lie. The ease of relating these indicators paves the way for more assertive actions, whether in planning geographic expansion or adjusting internal policies. All of this in one place, in a simple and visual way, helping to transform data into real insights for more effective results. I hope this analysis helps you to take advantage of the potential of this dashboard and make increasingly informed decisions. And I can't forget to thank the report's developer, whose repository is marlong07/Indicadores-Mundiales-Power-BI on GitHub.